Hi guys, welcome on the episode 8 of this very long series. I started to repair the other side of the car, and unfortunately it's worse than I expected. It's a bit disappointment, but it's a part of the job and we will do anyway. It's a strange feeling when it's the time to apply the seal after the work. In one way, you feel happy because it means you finish your work. But in the second time, while applying, I was wondering if I did a good job. It's number 13 key. I don't know for what. Number 8. For the X300 owners, to remove the ECU, to remove the ECU, it's on the driver's side for British cars. You have two plugs to remove, and it's easy. You just have to pull up this little pin here with the screwdriver small. You pull up a little to unlock, and you pull out the plug. And this one is same, but reverse. So you have to turn a little gently the ECU to have access at the back. But it's same concept than the brown one. To remove this plug, there's a lever which must be tilted upwards. I must not forget to put back this ground. It's connected here, but there's a hole now, so weld the bolt also. So here is the next chapter. Look like there is less work than the other side. Anyway, I will proceed the same way. I will cut the seal here, somewhere here, I don't know yet, to have access inside. If ever I have to repair, at least it's better. I have some work also to do underneath the chassis. I have to replace this section from here to here approximately. So I will unweld only the welding points here, here, here. I will fold the steel here to cut the plate, the piece of metal I checked here, and it looked like okay. I will replace this piece of metal, and here I have to replace also this one. I think also the one on inside. I wanted to unweld from this side to let clean the visible side of the seal, but it's a nightmare to unweld. I remember when we walk on the opposite side, it was really complicated. When it's time for welding, with the helmets, you can't see anything. So I will continue to make hole on the opposite side, and never mind. Oh, pénible de ants là. Imagine if it could be fast like that. Be confident in yourself, be confident. In French we say, c'est chaud patate. Maybe. Maybe. I saw rust on the jack point support here, and I'm wondering how it could be worse under the floor. I think I must remove here, at least until here, because there's rust here, and I thought it was just a dot, but look like it's connected to here. So I decided to cut the seal because the second skin between here and here, this second skin is inside the seal. You cannot access from here, and it's rusted. You can see. So no choice than to cut the seal to have access at the back, like I did in the other side. But I really want to avoid to unweld this jack point. Sorry for the sun. And I don't want to unweld also that because there's no reason. And so I will try to work without removing that. See, it's what I said. Crazy me, I forgot to on the camera. I just cut this piece along here, and I will keep, because I will try to use this shape. I try to cut here really carefully to not cut the plate under, because I need this shape to rebuild after. Well, it's not nice, huh? Finally, I changed my mind. I will remove this support with crossing along the floor. Because I have difficulties to remove this piece of metal because it's linked under between this and the seal, and as you can see also it's rust. So I'm worried now that the rust is also hidden inside between the floor and this support. Of course it's adding work, but better to work properly than to come back in 2 years or less. Must to wear a jacket now. No more summer. The floor is destroyed. See the floor now? If there is something I don't want to do, it was to change the floor because it's curved. I really don't have anything to do that. Better to remove these supports. So now I will remove the jack point. Finally I changed my mind. It's a nightmare to remove this track point. It's really a nightmare. And honestly, I cannot put back the support here on that piece of shit. So I decided to cut along here and following here. Like that, I will start with a new piece of metal. When everything is removed, I can work properly on my table there to remove the jack point. Let's go. No regret now. Impossible to remove that clean. Well, this is the result after spending too much time to try to remove this jack point and to cut this piece of, let's say, shit. And this plate, this reinforcement plate, I don't know to call that I made on the other side. I will show you on this video here if you want to see. I think I have to rebuild also because it's really rusty, crunchy, and I don't know if I can remove properly. The work on the opposite side was really better than this one. Typically, to cut this edge which linked to the frame, I spent almost 1 hour because I don't want to make too much damage. That's why I don't want to film, because I was busy mind and honestly it's not interesting. I guess there is a little bit more rust under this, so I will cut a little bit more. I will finish this episode 8 here, and I will start to work on the inner seal and outer seal, and I will finish this area before to work on the main frame there. So guys, see you in episode 9. If you have any question and advices, please dare to ask. See you soon. Bye bye.